The best breakfast for heart health. What if I told you that your breakfast could actually help protect your heart? The truth is, what you eat in the morning can affect your cholesterol, blood pressure, energy levels, and even your risk of heart disease. And the best part? You don't need expensive superfoods or complicated recipes. Today, let's discover one of the healthiest breakfasts for your heart. The #1 heart-friendly breakfast combines oatmeal, fresh berries, walnuts, and Greek yogurt. Let's break down why this simple meal is so powerful. First, oatmeal. Oats are packed with a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. Lower cholesterol means less plaque building up inside your arteries, allowing blood to flow more easily. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your blood vessels. They're also naturally sweet, making your breakfast healthier without adding refined sugar. Now, add a handful of walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that support heart health. Studies have shown that eating nuts regularly may help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Finally, top it off with plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides high-quality protein that keeps you full for longer while supporting healthy muscles. Choose an unsweetened version to avoid added sugars. Want even more benefits? Sprinkle a teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds on top. They're packed with fiber and plant-based omega-3 fats that give your heart another healthy boost. And instead of sugary drinks, enjoy a cup of green tea or simply drink water. A breakfast like this helps stabilize blood sugar, supports healthy cholesterol, keeps you satisfied longer, and provides steady energy throughout the morning. Remember, heart health isn't built by one big decision. It's built by small, healthy choices every single day. Starting your morning with oats, berries, walnuts, and Greek yogurt is one of the easiest habits you can build for a stronger heart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite healthy breakfast? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.